Before we go out riding, it's really important to do the ABC quick check. But what is the ABC quick check? First, A. A stands for air. So we're going to feel those tires, make sure that there's air in there. Next, we're going to do the B. B for brakes. Testing out our brakes to make sure our brakes are working nice and strongly and properly. Next, the bar. We're going to see if our headset is moving. If our bars are nice and tight, we're good to go. Next, the chain for C. We're going to spin our wheel to make sure that our chain is working. Once we know our chain is working, we're good to go. Last, the quick. We're just going to make sure our quick release is nice and firmly in place. And then the check, we're going to drop our bike to make sure that our water balls are nice and tight into our water ball cages. If at any point you realize that you need air or there's something wrong, we're going to rack our bike on the bike repair station and then go through our ABC check if it's inflating our tires a little more pressure or tightening our bars. After this, you guys will be safe, quick check, and ready to go out riding.